Oh my god. This is so cool. This one's just now getting commissioned, I think that's what my dad said. That guy right there, he's carving the pattern in. He's carving that. Right. See what he's working on right there? He's carving that in by hand. Same with the other side. It's so cool. I can't believe, look at how long the propellers are. I mean, okay, look at the company. It says Rocky Mountain Emergency Vehicle. So, hey JJ. Hi JJ.
There's my sister.
There's my brother. He's doing a video about the same thing.
This is my dad's phone.
And this is my phone. He's doing it on my dad's phone.
She's doing
But
it
look
on her
at this. JJ. Check this out. This is just down the street from where I'm at right now.
Hello.
Hi, Ian.
Hi.
And
Look.
look, it says Rocky Mountain Emergency Vehicles Ambulance Sales.
Rocky Mountain Emergency Vehicles.
This is a super cool company. Look at that though. That's the number of the building, not the number to call.
No, of course not. That's
Isn't that cool though? Like, we're not allowed to pass this line.
And,
It's awesome. I like it.
there's
So let me know if you guys like the helicopter as much as I do by smashing that like button. And make sure to subscribe. And I will see you all later. Bye.